Hey, do you want to find out how I made 80 points shorting the Dow this morning? And on top of that, I made 100 points in Nasdaq long, just nailing the bottom. Well, stick around. My name is Anka Metcalf, and I'm a pro trader with 20 plus years of trading experience, and I day trade futures for income. So let's take a look at the setups. As you can see, the price action was very weak this morning, and within the first 30 minutes, we had a lot of selling action throughout the indices. Every single index from the Dow, the S&P, all the way from Russell and Nasdaq were printing red. They were taking to the short side. So looking at time frames, on multiple time frames, I've noticed that there is still room for the downside. And especially as we were going into 10 o'clock, I thought that we can hit it with a short and we can still have a little bit of time until 10 o'clock reversal time occurs. This is our entry right here. So we decided on a stop just above the 10 EMA, and this is where we exited the trade. On top of that, we nailed Nasdaq. This time around, the trade setup occurred on the 15-minute. So we exited the short trade and we were actually focused on getting another trade in because we saw the opportunity. The market has reached support on the major indices, and not only that, but it had a pretty good room to run into the next resistance zone. So we went for it. So as you can see in this setup, the reversal was a 15-minute rotation. This is the area where we actually got in at 505. This is where we placed the stop at 430 because of the volatility, and we had a target into 580. The price action actually made into 600. Some of my traders took profits into 600, being a whole number psychological level, and right into the 10 EMA. I actually stayed in for the whole duration of the trade and trailed into 580. This was actually a very good trade with almost 2 hours for the beginning of the week. So we're very happy that we started the week on a positive note on a very difficult trading environment. So we're really looking forward to see what tomorrow brings.